All right, a common question that I get often is somebody wants to import content from one course that they have to another. So I'll use my phys ed classes. There may be things that I could use across all of my phys ed classes, but I currently maybe only have it in one of my courses. So I'm going to show you how to import things from other courses. So you're going to go to the course that you want the item in, and you're going to click Import Existing Content, and you're going to hit Content Type Copy a Canvas Course. Now don't fret, you're not actually going to copy everything from that course, but in 5th grade I did have something that I wanted, and I'm going to click here, select specific content, and I just always like to remove dates when I do things, but if the date's the same, then you can keep it. So you're going to go ahead and hit import, and I'm going to go to select content. So I don't really have much in here, but I have this one page that I really like, so I'm going to go ahead and pick that and then go down to select content. And so that's it. Once it is done running that job and it's completed, I should be able to go into my new class and find what I had just imported, which is my Bitmoji classroom.